Let's look here. Now today the date is first. The first day I am going to explain you the problems of third. Sorry, I am going to explain you the problems of some divisions with unknown values. How to find out unknown values using. Before that, in exercise 2.3 there is the last problem which is little easy only, little different. You are asked to make. I am giving you some examples here. You just go through your own examples of same degree like this. The first question is P of x. The dividend and the quotient should have the same degree. Degree means power. And that means constant, if it is there, means it is of degree 0. 1, 2, 3 means x power 0 it means. Okay? See. For this problem, P of x should be taken like something, anything, any quotient, but the G of x, the divisor should be of a number. Then the quotient will be of the same thing. See, when you divide this with this, you will get the quotient. The quotient degree is 3 and the divisor dividend degree is also 3. Degree of P of x equal degree of Q of x. Next one. The quotient and the remainder should have the same degree. Quotient and remainder should have the same degree. With what? Take a cubic equation, take an x square term. Cubic equation and x square term. So that you'll get it. You can take off your own equations. I suggest all of you to take off your own equations, own polynomials, not these. You try with different numbers also. See, one cubic equation, one x square I took. I have divided this thing and I got the remainder x plus 1. Quotient is 2x plus 2. The degree is 1 and degree is also 1. In the third one, the degree of r of x is 0, remainder is 0. That doesn't mean that remainder 0. Degree of the remainder 0. That means that remainder can be a number also. Degree of the remainder 0 means it should be a number. It can be 0 also, but it can be a number also. Say I have taken some cubic equation with some value p of x as cubic equation with g of x as some x plus 1. I have divided with this so that I got the remainder as 1. Okay? So this is the thing. How to take that? Is there any rule for that? You just randomly go through that and you can get it. For this thing I can tell you that if your equation contains x term, if you take x here, then definitely you will get the remainder with some value. Okay? This depends on this remainder depends on this value. If there is x here, there should be an x term. It can be x or it can be 2x, it can be 3x like that also. And here, what is the logic here, sir? If you take a cubic equation and a quadratic equation, definitely you will get the remainder and the quotient with the same degree less than that. Okay? So this is nothing but depends on a is equal to b cube plus r. B should be, r should be less than b. R can be, if b is 4, r can be 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. If this is 1, it can be equal to same or quotient can be same or quotient, this should be, the remainder should be less than b of x. B. This should be always less than this. Obviously, when you take x square here, this will be less than this and this can be equal to this also. Okay? Only 1 degree different, x cube and x square like that. Okay. Next here, I told you only one constant should be taken. And today, I am going to explain you, today in worksheet I have given 3 very difficult problems. I want everyone to go through them. I will explain you 2 problems and third problem I want all of you to do. Okay? See, in the worksheet given on day 3, you are given one polynomial with some unknown quotients and you are told that it is completely divisible by this divisor. Completely divisible in the sense the remainder should be 0. How I make and how I find the values of a and b, just look at it. See the first in the first term, x with all the 3, x cube minus 4x square plus 3x. Subtract, change the symbols. So when you add these two, how to write these two items? X square term. So I took x square common. What is here? A and what is here? Plus. Now, plus x term. What is here before x? It is b minus 3 minus 6. Now see the first term and the first term. This is very important, guys. See the first and the first. With what value this to be multiplied to get the same thing? plus a plus 4 with all the 3. So it becomes a plus 4x square minus into plus minus, take a bracket, send 4 inside, 4a plus 16 of x plus 3 into that, 3a plus 12, put brackets, brackets are very important. I repeat, guys, look here, this value into all the 3. First with symbol 1, a plus 4x square, minus into plus minus, put a bracket, 4 is there, send 4 inside, you get 4 here, 4a plus 16, and plus 3 into plus, send 3 inside. Now change the symbol, this gets cancelled. Now take x common here, what are left? B minus 3 plus 4a plus 16. Both are minuses, so you have to add minus 6 minus 3a minus 12. So we simplify 4a plus b plus 13 into x minus 3a minus 18. This is the thing. That means you got some remainder. This is the remainder. But completely divisible in the sense the remainder should be 0. Remainder, but you got something like remainder here. Can we still divide? No, because you got x term. The remainder is less than this, so we stop here. So how to make the remainder 0? I tell you. This is the whole thing, the remainder is 0. This happens if, I write here, coefficient of x is equal to 0 and constant equal to 0. What is coefficient of x here? 4a plus b plus 13, 0. What is constant here? Minus 3a minus 18, 0. See, x coefficient should be 0, this should be equal to 0. Minus 3a is equal to 18, a equal to minus 6. Now come here, substitute here. A minus 6 minus 24 plus b plus 13. So b is equal to 11. You just pause it, go back. This is not that much easy that you see here and can do it. You should practice, keep on practicing like that. Okay, now I'll explain you one more problem of this worksheet. See, in this question you are given that find the value of k and also find the other zeros also. You are told that this is the factor of the given polynomial, right? Let us see the first and the first, 2x square to be multiplied with all. It becomes 2x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 2kx square. Subtract, change the symbols. It becomes x cube minus 4x cube minus 3x cube. Minus and minus, you take minus common. It becomes 14 plus 2k of x square, because I took minus common here. Plus 5x plus 6, we write later, but you can write here also. Now see the first and the first term. Minus 3x with all the 3. Minus 3x cube minus 6x square minus 3kx. Subtract, change the symbol, you get x square common, write in all the terms left, minus 14 plus 2k plus 6 plus 5 plus 3k of x plus 6. Now I rewrite this equation so that after simplification you can divide again. It becomes 2k minus 8 or minus 8 plus 2k. Yeah, x square plus 5 plus 3k of x plus 6. So what should be multiplied here again? 2k minus 8 with all the 3. It becomes 2k minus 8 of x square plus 2, send it inside, 4k minus 16 of x plus k 2k square minus 8k. Put a bracket. Now change the symbols, cancel them. You will get, take x common here. 5 plus 3k minus 4k plus 60 plus 6 minus 2k square plus 8k. We rewrite, we simplify this again. 21 minus 3k, sorry, 21 minus k of x, 6 minus 2k square plus 8k. Sorry guys, something went wrong here. We didn't take minus here. I am rewriting here. Minus 14 minus 2k plus 6 of x square plus 5 plus 3k of x plus 6. Now we rewrite this. It becomes minus 8 minus 2k of x square, 5 plus 3k of x. Again take minus common. 8 plus 2k of x square, 5 plus 3k of x plus 6. And here it will be, what should be multiplied with this to get the same thing? Minus of 8 plus 2k with all the three. It becomes minus of 8 plus 2k of x square plus into minus minus. Send 2 inside, 16 plus 4k of x minus into plus minus, k inside, 8k plus 2k square. Now subtract, change the symbols. This becomes, and it becomes 5 plus 16, 21 plus 7k of x plus 6 plus 8k plus 2k square. Now I told you, it is, since it is a factor, the remainder should be 0. If the remainder is 0, coefficient of x and constant should be equal to 0. What is coefficient of x here? 21 plus 7k is equal to 0. 7k is equal to minus 21, k is equal to minus 3. To find out the other factors, we take the quotient and we find out the other zeros. I'll tell you. So here is the quotient. Now put k minus 3 here. It becomes 8 minus 6. So it becomes 2x square minus 3x minus 2, 0 factors. If you are not able to do factors, you can go with the formula 2x into x minus 2, 1 into x minus 2, 0. 2x plus 1 into x minus 2, 0. So x is minus 1 by 2 or 2. These are the other zeros. Alright. You go to the worksheet, and for the 4th day, on 4th April, I upload the video for all the doubted problems like this. And there is one more problem in optional exercise guys, which is very, very important. I'll explain that also in the video for 4th day. Okay, bye.